Hello friends, follow the steps to fix kernel power 41. Keyword 0x80004000000002 as keyword in event viewer in Windows 11. The first step is disable fast startup. Click on search, type control, click on control panel under waste match, click on the link category, select large icons, select power options, click on the link, choose what the power button does. Here click on change settings that are currently unavailable. Uncheck the option turn on fast startup recommended. Click on save changes. Close the control panel. Check if the error is fixed in the event viewer. If the error code still persists, click on search, type CMD, select run as administrator, click on yes, type SFC space / scan now. Hit enter on the keyboard. Once 100% completed, close the command prompt and restart your computer. Install the pending Windows updates. Click on Start. Select Settings. Go to Windows Update and click on Check for updates. If any update is found, let it download and restart your computer to install it. The update will be installed after a couple of restarts and the error should be fixed. That's all friends. Thanks for watching the video.